Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mr. Fund. Today we're diving into how is AI changing human learning and why, in the next 10 to 20 years, we might actually stop reading, memorizing, and taking exams entirely. Knowledge could be implanted into our brains just like downloading an app. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But let me tell you, this is already happening as of 2025. First layer, tool level enhancement. It's already here. As of November 2025, Neuralink has implanted its brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, in over 12 people. Globally, counting devices from other companies, the total number of implants has surpassed 200. These individuals can now type, play video games, and control robotic arms with their minds. Elon Musk has stated that the first consumer-grade BCI will be available to the general public by the end of 2025. By 2030, want to learn French? Download a French knowledge pack in 10 minutes and start speaking fluently instantly. Reading speed? Boosted by 100 times. You could finish an entire book in the blink of an eye. Memory capacity? Upgraded to terabyte levels. Second layer, biological level rewiring. On the verge of breaking through, AI combined with CRISPR technology can now precisely edit brain-related genes with an 85% success rate in mouse experiments. Optogenetics lets us switch specific brain regions on and off like a light switch. Between 2030 and 2040, humans could permanently raise their IQ above 200, shut down the brain regions linked to anxiety and fear for good, maintain a state of flow 24/7, and even master perfect multitasking. Imagine joining 10 Zoom meetings simultaneously, no sleep required. Third layer, consciousness level interface. This is the real threshold to becoming superhuman. Currently, Neuralink's BCI has a bandwidth of 10 megabits per second, with a goal to hit 1 gigabit per second by 2030. By 2035 to 2050, we'll be able to directly read and write subconscious thoughts, enable brain-to-brain connectivity for thousands to collaborate on creative projects, communicate via long-distance telepathy, and even upload consciousness for digital immortality. Who knows? You and I might still be chatting in the cloud someday. You might be asking, what happens to education then? Let me tell you, traditional education will decline fast, and it'll be brutal. Here's a timeline for you. Tutoring centers? Gone by 2030. Top-tier universities like Harvard, Oxford, Tsinghua, and Peking University. By 2040 to 2050, they'll either pivot into premium experience institutes or become historical landmarks. Elementary and middle schools? After 2035, 80% could shut down. The rest will turn into camps for socializing, art, sports, and spiritual growth. So what will future schools teach? Here's the priority ranking, from most to least important. Original thinking, the ability to break free from established frameworks, which AI struggles most to replicate. Emotional intelligence, empathy, leadership, and charisma. Genuine traits you can't just download via BCI. Extreme experiences, like summiting Mount Everest, deep-sea diving, or simulating a 300-year romantic relationship. Meaning-making, how to find purpose if you live to 300 and avoid falling into nihilism. Cross-consciousness collaboration, thousands of brains connected to co-develop new physics theories. Individuality and aesthetics, physical limit modification. To sum it up, knowledge will become as free as air, but one type of education will grow more valuable than any other. Because in the future, what matters isn't how much knowledge you have, it's who you are, your identity, who you want to become, your purpose, what never-before-seen things you can create, your originality. But there's one massive black swan event looming. When everyone has an IQ of 200 plus, equally striking looks, extreme material abundance, no worries about basic survival or disease, and traditional forms of superiority vanish completely. Will humanity go mad? Will people seek thrills through extreme, even twisted acts? I've predicted 3 extreme possibilities. Experiential killing. A 300-year-old person who no longer fears death might take risks to settle a grudge or experience the act of killing for the first time. Perfect crimes. Those who've never broken the law may plot foolproof crimes to challenge AI and chase a sense of achievement. Epidemic of fraud and hacking. AI advancement will create more opportunities for new types of scams and cyber attacks. The world will always have light and darkness, so there's only one solution. In the future, spiritual education must be made the strictest screening criterion. There might even be a humanity index embedded in everyone's ID card. Those with low scores could face restrictions on using advanced BCIs, immigrating to Mars, or even having children. Only those with high humanity indexes will have maximum freedom and top social status. Because by then, IQ will be just the minimum threshold, like knowing how to read. What truly determines your social class and saves human civilization is just one thing, your heart. Empathy, love, sacrifice, integrity, justice, care. These will be the rarest, most valuable assets in the future. So knowledge-based education will fade away, but human education is just beginning. Future schools won't teach you how much you know. They'll teach you how to be a unique, conscientious human being. Stay human and strive to become a better version of yourself. Do you think this future is a utopia or a dystopia? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'm Mr. Fun. See you next time. Bye.